G'day guys, I'm Todd, manager here at Autobarn in Bathurst, and this is my 2016 SSV Redline. How I come across the car, me and my wife were actually car shopping for myself, and then she came across this and went, let's test drive it, and here it is 6 years later, it's ours. So my wife is into horses, and one of her obviously favourite horses is the Pegasus. A lot of people tell me, oh, the Pegasus is a white, but it's like, have you ever seen one? To me, they're a mythical beast, just like the car. It all started with the coilovers that it's sitting on, and from there it just grew to the OTR, the custom 3-inch stainless system, headers. It's got a set of aeroflow heads, also custom grind cam, and on big 20s. So it currently pushes out about 730 Newton meters of torque. Naturally aspirated car, I think is pretty good. So my favourite thing, driving it down the street, the looks you get in it from the noise it makes, unbelievable.